A small-town theater hosts a weekend comedy showcase where a nervous magician performs street magic to a curious crowd. Each trick backfires in hilarious ways as props misfire. From disappearing coins to levitation that boosts only his ego, a skeptical mime in the front row translates failed illusions into exaggerated expressions, turning the stage into a silent echo chamber. When a misfired rabbit escapes, the crowd helps recover it while the magician claims it learned a new trick. The finale ends with improvised drum beats and laughter, leaving the crowd begging for a quick encore.